These are the filters and also some other lenses for the Pocket 3 from Freewell. These things are really nice. First off, you do get an anamorphic lens that is a 1:1. The reason they don't go any further than that, like they don't go to the 1/33 or 1.33, is because it would be too big and the Pocket 3 wouldn't be able to hold it. But with the 1.1, you still get that really nice anamorphic look, and you get some of those lens flares like this. It looks really nice. The other one is they have a macro lens, and you could pop this thing on there, and that way you can get really close and tight shots, and you can just see a lot more detail when you get up and close. They include a wide angle lens. Now with this wide angle lens, it actually sits on top of the macro one, and it uses that macro and gives that wide angle shot without having any distortion. So that is a really cool feature with that. So you got a lot more of a wide angle without any of the warping, which is really cool. So that's really nice. Then they have different ND filters that can go on any of these lenses. So if you had anamorphic and you wanted to rock an ND filter, you have this one right here. You have the ND32. You have the ND8. So you could go from 8 to 32 all the way up to a ND128. So that is great with your lenses. You can also use it without any other lenses. You can just pop them on. It actually is one of the better filters on the Pocket 3 because the way it sits up, it's so easy to take off, and I think that's a huge advantage compared to some of the other ones out there. So I really like that a lot, and it looks, you can see how much darker it gets when it's on there. So that gives you a lot more motion blur and just a lot more cinematic as well. So highly recommend these filters from Freewell. These are really, really cool and help you get a little bit more creative with your Pocket 3. And thanks for watching.